YouTube, what's going on? It's your man Mike, Tech King on the budget. I am back again with another video. So, you heard that? You heard that? You know what that is. Anyway, if you don't know what it is, I'm finna show you. So, the OnePlus 7 Pro recently came out, today actually, and it was announced earlier this week. I believe on Monday it was announced. It was announced earlier this week. And it's an impressive device. Got some impressive specs and everything. But you know, we're gonna talk all about that later. We're gonna really get into all that later. Right now, I just wanted to go ahead on and just unbox the phone for you guys, so you guys can see what you're getting in the box. And so I go ahead and get it set up and pretty much throw my SIM card in it to get ready to start using it for you guys, so we can start seeing what it's all about. And this is the OnePlus 7 Pro Nebula Blue. 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, 256 gigabytes of storage. Yeah, so T-Mobile bag, got it at the T-Mobile store today. So for those of you that don't think you can get it at the T-Mobile store, you can. And phone 7. Let's crack this bad boy open right after the intro. Alright guys, so contrary to the intro, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know this is actually a re-record of the unboxing of the phone. The initial video that I recorded, for whatever reason, I had an error uploading it to YouTube, so this is the new unboxing. So I already have the device here. I've been using it for a couple of days, and because I've been using it for a couple of days, it kind of lets me show you guys its usage. So we're still gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna do this real quick. So inside the box, you see you got your sticker that comes on the back of the phone. I put that on there because I don't really care. And we'll go ahead on and see if I can get my finger. See if I can get up under that. All right, so we lift this up, and inside of here, you have your clear case that comes with the phone, along with your normal books and everything like that. So we'll put all that over here to the side. I'll leave the clear case out because I'm going to put it on the phone so you can see what it looks like. Got the never settle plastic that the phone comes in. Like I said, this is pretty much a redo. Got your Warp Charge 30, same as the McLaren OnePlus 6T. And then you have your USB-C cable with no headphone jack adapter. Huawei, I'm sorry, not Huawei. All that Huawei stuff got me tripping out. OnePlus, what you got going on, man? Y'all included one with the McLaren and the last OnePlus, but anyway, I digress. So put all this stuff away. Sorry, I'm running through this a little quick, guys. Last video was a little long, so I want to make sure this one's a little shorter. So taking a look around the phone, we pop this case off. Now this is the carbon fiber case that I picked up from T-Mobile. They had a special, so it's pretty much the same price in T-Mobile as it would have been in the store. So this is the carbon fiber case that I picked up. But let's take a look at the phone. This is the Nebula Blue. Now, this does have that matte back finish, so you can see a little bit of fingerprints on it if you really care about that. I don't, but you can see them on there. We'll slap the clear case on it so you can see what it looks like with the clear case on it. And this is a pretty good case. I mean, it comes with the phone, so you can't complain. It's got some good, decent protection in the corners, and it does give you a little bit of lip over the phone, so when you put it face down, you're not gonna have too many issues. One thing about this phone that I thought I was not gonna be a fan of was it does have that curved infinity display, kind of like a Samsung phone, but it's actually not that bad. I actually enjoy it, especially looking at video. So let me unlock the phone real quick. I'm gonna make sure there's nothing on the screen here before. So I'm gonna get some of this stuff off because, like I said, I don't want no issues this time. So I'm gonna lock the phone back, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like unlocking it. So you got your ambient display here, comes on either from a raise to wake, or you can tap to wake. Got your fingerprint scanner down here. Now this is 36% bigger than the fingerprint scanner on the 6T, so see, it's pretty quick. We'll do that one more time. Very quick, very easy to use, very quick fingerprint scanner. So one more time. Then you got your selfie pop-up camera up here, USB-C down here, dual speakers. So I have it set to where I have to swipe up for the selfie camera to pop up, so it doesn't automatically come up and down every time. So we'll go ahead and just swipe up, and you can see. So I'll try to do it so you can see it in real time. I'll do it behind the camera here. You can see how fast it is. It's pretty fast. Say it takes no more than a second or two for it to actually pop up. Now, I did look at 2 movies today on this phone. Looked at 2 movies on Google Play Movies. One was 1080p, one was 4K. You guys can't really see it on camera, but this screen, this 90 hertz refresh rate is amazing. It's truly awesome. It really is. But we're gonna go. Let's see. I'm gonna take you guys to. I'm gonna go to Chrome. Let me see. I'll pull up Google Chrome here, and I'll play some music from Epidemic Sounds, since I am a member, and we'll log in. All right, so I want to play some music off of here so you guys can get an idea for these speakers. Now, let's see. Let me go. Forgive me, guys, doing this on the fly. But let's just tap this one right here. Now, this is all the way up on the volume. Listen to these speakers. Tell you what, let's do an instrumental. We'll fast forward it. That's that full display. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go back and we'll go to YouTube. And I'll pull up a HDR video for you guys, so you guys can see what that's going to look like. Just pause that Epidemic Sounds, and yeah, check this out. This is a full HDR video. Let me wipe the screen off so you guys can see it a little better without the fingerprints. Here we go. Truly immersive screen. This is amazing, man. Cover up the bottom, still got music. Cover up the top, still got music. Bottom line, this is a great phone. I haven't done any gaming on it yet, but I will do that in the future. I'll do that in another video. I'll pull up PUBG or something like that so you guys can see what that looks like. But anyway, so real quick, this is the OnePlus 6T unboxing. I got a couple cases for it as well. Kind of went a little crazy at T-Mobile store, but got the out-of-box symmetry video coming out on that. Got the spec grip coming out on that Presidio grip, and I got the Tech 21. So stay tuned for these videos on these cases. And like I said, this is the official OnePlus carbon fiber case. This is just a pop-on case. I actually like this one the best so far between these two. But that's the OnePlus 7 Pro. I hope you guys liked the video. Leave a comment down below if you're picking this phone up or if you're a OnePlus fan, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.